Hi guys, welcome back to another video where we share the success story of one of our trainees named Joby Sam. Here you'll see him talking about how he managed to land a beautiful job, how he started, and how was his experience with us throughout his journey. So make sure you're watching the video till the end.
So what has happened? So tell me a little bit about when you started and since then, how was feeling then? Because I remember when you initially spoke, you were very stressed and you said you wanted whatever. Yeah. So tell a bit more about that. Yeah.
It was not easy thing when I was migrating to Australia, and by then my primary goal was actually to secure a job, and that is when I joined the program when Multi-Cloud was about to launch. So that is when actually I got your consultation and into what should be the pathway, what should be the direction. So luckily that helped in a way in framing your direction, your thought process. What next? Some critical steps that can be done. Some review from the team that really helped in prepping yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And no doubt, Atul, I mean your magic words, your pump of energy pumping was something that was incredible, that I have to admit. And one thing that you guaranteed is just start the process. We are with you, and once you are into the process, you are not alone. So you would just put your foot in, and then rest. We are with you. So that was something that gave me confidence. Okay, so
Brilliant.
and thank God, I'm actually thankful to you and thankful for the team, and thank God primarily for showing me the opportunity and showing me the right mentor to talk to. And no doubt, Atul, I mean, thank you very much for being that mentor.
No, I think full credit to you. Like basically, I suggest this thing to a lot of guys, and a lot of them take it and implement it as well. And those who implement definitely get a result you've seen, which is good. So let's suppose someone like you who is struggling to get a job or have a job, but they want to move to the next level. What few suggestions you will have for them based on what you have seen, or what what would you recommend to them to do?
Yeah, if it is in the market that I am in right now, and in Australia, especially in Adelaide, in South Australia, it's a very calm country, and it's not a huge market. The pay also differs from the major cities, from like Sydney and in Melbourne. Yeah, so
Yep.
that's a lot of difference. But for it all depends on your attitude.
Attitude, you mean? Yeah.
Your attitude of how you are confident in your skill. And Atul, I have to admit that when I was saying that I'm good in Azure, it was something that had in the back of my mind is, if anything at all that I have to refer back, I have a platform or I have a team that is sitting back of me. And if in case I have some questions, I have some doubts or anything that I need to practice anything, I have a whole entire lab schedule waiting for me that is in my reach, which I can do that anytime. That is something that you need to have. You need to have that in your conscious mind, in your heart. You need to feel it, and you need to say that I am ready. I can do that. I can connect VMs. I can do the architecture. I'm really thankful to God and to you as well for giving me the guidance.
No, very impressive. And okay, so just to sum it up, I think the attitude that matters in the interview. You being confident, and that confidence came because of the back there you were there, that someone is there, like we are there to help and support you. And because of that confidence, probably you
feel that.
Yeah, absolutely. And then you give that. And I think that's a key point. Is again, I wanted to have that with everyone who's like probably now you've lived it down. Now you feel you can say confidently say, but then people are still nervous. They don't think, they don't assume. But I always say confidence is your biggest one. And then if you get confidence by doing it, but till the time if you don't do it, just say that I'm there. Like basically, I'm there to help and support because I know this. So brilliant work. Thank you very, very much. Big congratulations once again. On very happy. But my point is, as I said, now don't stop here. This is just a journey. This is just a beginning. We have a long way to go. And as I said, indeed, you have a lot of big potential. I can see when you initially told me, I said, take whatever opportunity comes, because then now you will have a little bit more breathing space. And then now you can do wonders as well.